What's going on, everyone? We're here today for an episode of Stupid Skate. And you may be wondering, what is stupid about a game of skate in which you were just on a regular skateboard on flat ground? Well,
come on, dog.
Here's your answer. Dan, what do you call this? What do you call this, Dan?
The grippers.
The grippers? The gorilla grippers? So Nigel invented this for his skate lessons, and we got a little bit of a rope system going on here. And it theoretically keeps you 100. Hey, yo, you act like I'm not talking. Come on. Y'all got to sign up for some lessons if you want to get lessons with Glow, Uzi, or Nigel. But this is meant to be a safety beacon, a safety mechanism, so that when you do a trick, if you land primo or you slide out, wow, you just catch yourself and you're all nice and safe. So Derek, bro, oh my God, dude, that's what you get, bro. I'm literally doing an intro. Why are you skating? Big toe gone. But anyways, it's meant to save you. It's meant to keep you safe. And Derek, who's been learning how to kickflip, cannot kickflip without this, but with this, he can. So he has practiced a lot on this. He's gonna be our referee today. But game of skaters, Glow versus Uzi, and you have to be holding on to this. Anything counts? Anything counts. Anything counts. You have to call it, but you also have to be holding on to this. Derek, you're taking the mic.
You call it lean, mean, fighting machine.
I'm officially in charge.
Yep.
He tried to take me out with the rail, Judge.
I don't want to hear no complaining from you, Doc.
He almost hit me with the rail.
Hey, listen to the ref.
All right, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Oh!
I'm first.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada
Hey,
boom.
the rule is, Derek, you gotta call your trick.
Let's start off with a simple kickflip. What do you redo?
Yes, redo.
What did you do?
Come on, you're holding on to that. There you go. There you go.
How did it not count?
Hey, you don't talk back
How?
to the judge.
How did it not count?
He is the referee. What he says is the law. We're gonna be here all day.
They can literally hold themselves up for like an infinite amount of time, I think.
They're strong guys.
Let's get a front 5-0.
Good.
Hey, that's how you know it works, because I ain't never seen you do that. Little front 5-0. Oh! That's a letterer. Oh, God. All right, that's an S for Uzi.
That's an S, Uzi. Nice. Watch yourself now.
It's a nice S.
Kickflip front board.
No way. Oh! Ref?
Good.
That was
Whistle.
that was wild. This dude, this is like the ultimate cheat code. Oh!
This invention is something else, I'll tell you.
Hey,
It's a great thing I came up with it.
I've never really done this. Kickflip back 50.
and that is what this is made for.
Front blunt 180 lip. That's it.
Front blunt to lip. No, sir.
I'm gonna try front shove back lip.
Blunt shove back lip.
No, front shove back lip.
Now imagine if you did that without holding on to the ropes. What trick was that?
And what trick was that? I didn't hear no call.
Oh,
I didn't hear no call,
It would have been a
dog.
shame if you landed that.
Slacking. All right, back to what I was doing earlier.
Ref, if he rolled away, would you have counted that?
Maybe.
Kickflip back 50.
Did you almost roll your ankle?
Almost. Ooh, I'm gonna try what I was just trying over there. Pop shove front feeble. I almost had The most not ready you've ever been for a trick.
Have you ever seen Final Destination?
Yeah.
Isn't this one of those things?
The whole warehouse just comes down.
50-50
Okay.
pogo slide.
Yes, I was
My
not,
ankle is actually kind of roasted, but I could do
not
this
trying to
video.
pogo slide anything.
We're gonna be here all day.
Switch front feeble.
Oh. Kickle back 50.
Oh my god!
I'm so thankful for the straps.
Front blunt 180, board slide. That's it.
I don't want to decide
The
on
pressure
that.
is on, ref.
You know what? That's good.
Hey, that was a good call. I would have given it to him as well.
All right.
Oh! S to S.
Okay, shove front feeble.
Oh my god.
Kickflip front feeble.
Okay, front crook impossible. I'm getting more crippled slowly as the video goes.
Nollie front hook fakie.
Oh my god.
That was such luck, it was sketchy.
Be good.
Can I get a redo? I hit a rock.
Oh, ref.
No, I hit a
Ref.
hole.
Show me the rock.
There's a hole.
Let me see.
So you lied
him
at
see
first.
it.
You said there was a rock. You want to read it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you a reading.
Also, my ankle is hurting more.
Is that an SK?
SK.
Let's go. Nollie Hill board.
You feeling brave now?
With these things, I can do anything.
So then I'm moving out the other one. Front blunt shove board slide.
Let's just go with a big spin front board. I hit the inside of the shinaroonie.
Undisclosed trick. This trick I got out of area.
Whoa. Undisclosed?
What is it?
This is an alien trick.
What is?
Flamingo floater over the rail.
That was cool. The flamingo floater.
Nollie nose grind.
Ref.
That's good.
What? Oh my god.
He glitched through the map.
It was a glitch, but it was a land. Come on.
SKA.
Big flip front board.
Flamingo grind.
Come on, flamingo.
No. Pogo grind.
Oh my god.
Big spin front board.
I feel like this trick is harder.
That was a beauty, actually. Oh!
Kick flip front 50.
I don't even know if the straps can help with that one.
Alright, back at the front.
Big spin front blunt.
These guys are in love with the rail.
Back at the blunt.
Okay.
Big spin front blunt. That's one trick. I don't know about that one, fellas.
Alright, shove. No. I'm doing the blunt. Because I was going to try shove front people, but I probably won't land it.
Kickflip back feeble because I want to learn this.
When that happens, is that encouraging or does that just make you not want to do it?
It makes me terrified because it seems like it's so easy and then I do that.
All right, you made me pull this out.
Pull it out.
The pogo grind.
Yes, yes, yes. I love the little feet flailing at the end, just trying to get it back.
Kickflip front crook. So bad.
Give the people what they want.
What is that?
The pogo grind.
What? That's what the people want?
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yes.
All right, back 180, switch crook. I'm asking to just get bodied, bro.
All right, I got one. I got one I've never thought of. Ollie over the rail.
I want to try that actually. That was nice. What?
You got left.
Dang.
What's the letter?
SK? Good, because there was no call on that.
All right, switch back blunt.
Oh, wow.
Another glitch?
Another glitch.
Another glitch?
How do you keep glitching and getting away with it?
I can't count one glitch and then not count the other. That one's good.
Final letter right. Making the hard calls.
I have to.
That was a grind.
That
Was
was.
it? That
Redo?
was switch 180, redo?
Yeah, redo.
They just come at you. I hate it.
Yeah, they do actually.
All right, I'm going for this. I'm going for what I know.
Wait.
Back 180 over the rail.
Switch back blunt. Redo?
Yeah, redo.
What are we counting? I thought that was good.
That was
We
good.
didn't count that first one, then we're not counting that one.
He's getting into it.
Yeah, but that's like the first one. And we
The
called
first
redo
one was
on the
super
first.
glitchy. That one was solid. That was like the first one.
I can't take it. One more, one more.
That was clean.
That's about the
Gotta
best
give
one
it to
I've-
him.
20 tries later. You have one try left on the board.
I believe in you. You did it. That has to be good. Come on. Dang.
Wow.
Switch back lip. Now we're getting technical.
Impossible over the rail.
No way.
Switch back lip.
Hey, I'm filming it.
All right, one more. Switch back lip.
That was clean.
Holy! That felt insane.
Come on, ref.
Come on, ref. Don't do that.
Come on, ref.
You got one more shot.
What do you mean? I landed it. I didn't touch.
You missed it. You missed getting into it in the first place.
I think that's good.
That was clean, ref.
An ollie hill board.
Oh. I thought I heard a snap in there somewhere. I'm
My
not
arm's
gonna
about to
lie.
come out of socket. I'm not.
All right, now I'm really pulling out the moves. You asked for this.
Oh. Yes.
I'm about to sack myself.
You got to koala that thing, boy. Dang. Hey, yeah.
front crook, flip out.
Hurricane to front lip.
Backside flip over the rail.
Oh my. Yeah, all right, redo.
Solid everything.
Alright, one shove, board.
Dang. Very clean.
Come on! Get up!
Hold on.
Get up!
Hold on.
I almost broke both of my arms holding on for dear life.
That was beautiful.
Front tail.
Okay.
Alright, 50-50, kickflip.
Nollie front board shove.
Oh!
I almost got both my ACLs taken out right there, D. Both of them almost gone. Right before my eyes.
Alright, nollie big spin, back lip.
Oh! T to T?
We got ourselves a hill.
Damn! You know what must be done.
Alright, this is Gabe's doing. This is Gabe's doing.
You know what must be done. Derek wants it, I want it, the people want it.
The flamingo.
The flamingo fire!
That looks so funny. Oh my god.
The nollie cab lip.
No.
Front blunt, body varial, switch flip.
Nollie front feet.
Oh no.
I ain't gonna lie, I heard it pop.
Alright, this is I think my last try at the flamingo. Yeah, the last one, my shoulder did something weird too. On the flamingo. That's a hard trick.
Nollie front board shove.
Will this be it? Boom! It's over! Oh my!
I slid it. Oh.
Are you alright?
You don't gotta do that.
Are you alright?
Shoulders
Yeah, I'm alright. Just a little heel chip.
Redo just because of that?
No, I don't even want to hear it.
And the winner is. The winner is.
I can't lift this arm, bro. Come on.
Just gonna have to be me by default.
By default!
What do you think of Nigel's creation? Leave it in the comments below. And who's the real winner of this game? Who knows?
I hope you guys enjoyed. There's some videos up there. Leave a comment down below. And if you want to see Gabe drop in, leave it in the comments.